In the fleeting moment when danger strikes, turning your trust into the vehicle's instinct is a testament to technology's reverence for life. For city buses, we've developed the Collision Mitigation System, which can effectively avoid or reduce collision damage and protect people inside and outside the vehicle. This is the first intelligent driving technology that has been installed on buses. The automatic emergency braking system uses millimeter wave radar and cameras to automatically detect obstacles ahead. When a collision risk is detected, the system automatically activates the vehicle's braking system to decelerate, significantly improving driving safety.